Welcome to this quick guide on editing, modifying, or changing featured images in WordPress. If you've ever wanted to make your post more visually appealing, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process in just a few simple steps. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your WordPress website. At the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see the Login option. Click on it to access the login screen. If you prefer a faster way, you can sign in using your Google account. Just select Continue with Google and pick your account. This makes logging in quick and hassle-free. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Here, look for the Posts section in the menu. Clicking on it will show a list of all your published and draft posts. Choose the post you want to update and click Edit to open the post editor. Inside the editor, scroll to the Featured Image section. Featured images are the first thing your audience sees, so updating them can make a big difference. Click on the current featured image, then select the Replace option. WordPress will now open your media library, where all your uploaded images are stored. Browse through your library and select the image that best fits your post's new look. Once you've picked your image, click Set Featured Image to confirm. Finally, make sure to save your changes. Click the Save button and your post will now display the updated featured image on your live site. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit, modify, or change featured images in WordPress. Keep experimenting with different visuals to make your content more engaging and enjoy all the customization options WordPress has to offer. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick WordPress tutorials.